Hi everybody, this is Roberto here. I'm just made this video to show you how to mark and edit using your iPad Pro within Canvas, which makes things easier if you're used to using your iPad with an Apple Pencil. So first off, you need to download the apps, which are here on the bottom right. You see the teacher canvas and the student canvas on the bottom right of my screen. Go to the App Store, download both, because the student one will come in handy later when you're looking at student views, because we'll actually be able to edit in Lori on the iPad itself as well. So let me show you how to do that. When you go to on your desktop or computer, your laptop, go to your Canvas page, and this is your home screen. You click on Account in the top left, and then you go to QR for mobile login. Now, you'll get this display. It just warns you that if you open this up, anyone can access it. That's just for now. So we hit proceed and it'll display a QR code. Now, once you've downloaded the teacher app, there's two ways to join. You either have to search for the school, but that function did not work for me. And there's also a function to enter via QR code. You select that, it'll open up your camera. You point your camera from your iPad to this QR code, and it will log you in. Now, please be aware, it takes about 5 minutes to fully load and log in. At least it did for me. So give it time and let it run, and it will log you in. From there, you will then go to the teacher app, and that takes you to the splash page here, which has the classes listed. And I will click on one of the classes. And you see at the very bottom, it says Student View. We'll get to that later. But for now, we're going to go down to the third one called Assignments. And click on Assignments. And this is the first and second assignment. And as you can see under the first one, Uncertainties Worksheet, it says to need grading. So it's telling you that they need to be graded. And actually, if you look at the bottom, at the very bottom, you see the number 2 over to do. That means there's 2 things that I need to do still that I have not done. And in the main part of the page, you can see it gives you the due date, when it's available from, how many submissions have been done, how many need grading, and how many are not submitted yet, with the description of the assignment that you posted. So if I click to do at the bottom, it takes me into this. I click that, and now it should open up the app for me. There we go. So this is this girl's assignment, and if you use 2 fingers at the top of the screen, you can swipe left and it will take you to the next student. And if there were more students, you keep swiping and then you just flip right to their submission. So over here on this girl's submission, I can leave a mark. So I made this as just a complete or incomplete, no grade, so I can mark it as complete. I can leave comments such as well done or needs more work, something to that effect. And then I can go back right into editing. Now, editing this is great because if you look at the little bubble, the speech bubble, if I tap that, wherever I put that, if I put that there, I can leave a comment. I can say something like, well done. And when the student sees that, they'll know it's from me and they'll know that I'm referring to that point. I can add text. So if I add the third icon here, I can put there and I can type in, please check my correction. And that will permanently stay there on the screen for the child to see. And the best part about this is the pen. So I click on the pen. If I click on the color, I can adjust the thickness of the pen. And obviously I can adjust the color of the pen. And then with that, you can actually go in and add marks and circle and say, please check. So on and so forth throughout the whole document, and you can save it. There's also the eraser function, which then you can go in and you can erase everything, since I'm not actually grading this right now. And you can actually edit. Erase this. There we go. And I can delete that comment that I left because I don't want to save it. For now, I can also delete the text. So those are all functions that are available using your Apple Pen. And then when you're done with that student, you can save it and swipe over to the next student. And so I can hit, let me hit done. and then I can go to the next student here. So those are some things you can do with the iPad, which makes it easier. On the next video, I'm going to show you how to edit Canvas using Lori in the iPad. Thank you.